Should businesses move to the cloud? A presentation by the Adder Group. Cloud computing can benefit any kind of company as long as the service meets the needs of the business. It offers an efficient method of managing large amounts of computer services, software, data storage, and networks. It can also improve business processes and efficiencies. Cloud computing is an affordable, highly flexible, and offers a capacity for growth for a business. The biggest player in cloud computing is Amazon Web Services. It provides companies with flexible computing power and data storage. It has the ability to harness the same computing power as Amazon's retail business. The idea of CloudFormation is the ability to use the amount of cloud service that best suits your needs. Amazon believes that cloud computing will be more successful than its retail business because it allows Amazon to focus on its IT infrastructure while business can focus on spending time on higher value work. The issue today is the amount of data being stored in the cloud. It has increased exponentially in the past few years, with software being built by Amazon, Google, and Microsoft that spreads data across many servers worldwide. Zynga is an example of the uncertainty of data usage because depending on the success of the game, the company's use of the cloud will vary. Outback Steakhouse had an unexpected success of a coupon promotion because of the cloud because it was not taxing on the in-house systems. Startup companies save money by not needing to build data centers. IBM, Cisco, and other data companies perceive cloud systems as a threat and instead encourage use of virtualization software. The business benefits of CloudFormation are its scalable operation, there's less infrastructure development and maintenance costs, you pay for what you use, there's an increased speed since it's closer to a business and/or individual, it allows someone else to handle maintenance and upkeep of IT infrastructure so business can focus on its more valuable work. Automated methods to spread data around the world while increasing efficiencies. Companies don't have to build a data center, and the smaller startups have access to technical capabilities that used to be only available to much larger companies, which levels the playing field. Disadvantages to CloudFormation. Cloud security. How secure is your data while it's in the cloud? Cloud computing can be prone to hacker attacks. Data ownership. Who actually owns the data and who's responsible for maintaining it? Downtimes can have major ripple effects for many companies. There is a question as to how some legacy issues would work if moved over. Reliability. They are prone to downtime and outages. There's a competition for IBM, Cisco, and other data giants and their virtualization software. There is no available hard drive if something happens. There's inflexibility. They may be locked into using their proprietary applications and formats. And there is a lack of support if something happens. Capacity planning. The process of determining production capacity needed to meet changing demands. Scalability. The ability of a computer product or system to expand to serve a large number of users without breaking down. Total cost of ownership is the total cost of owning technology resources, including initial purchase, maintenance, training, etc. The benefits of Amazon subscribers are that Amazon can offer a service for only what the customer needs, and by doing this can accurately predict how much space and manpower they will need. The customer wins because they can have lower infrastructure costs when needed, depending on if the needs are increasing or decreasing. Amazon Web Services must provide capacity planning and scalability in order to keep up with the changing demand and daily maintenance to maintain its cloud service, CloudFormation. The demand of product changes every day with improvements to technology, so Amazon's customer base grows every day. Amazon needs a larger database to satisfy a variety of needs from the largest to the smallest company. Amazon bears the total cost of ownership of its cloud, which means it is responsible for the cost of upkeep, so it must charge its customers enough to where Amazon can make a profit. Failure to provide sufficient services can negatively affect subscriber and as a result can hurt Amazon Web Services in the future. Overall, Amazon Web Services provides its subscribers with a financially responsible way to keep up with demand without sacrificing efficiency and productivity, and the subscribers benefit from not worrying about their data storage. The businesses that benefit from using CloudFormation are those that have large amounts of on-demand data that have to stream, such as games and movies, or require large capacity to stream uninterrupted and on demand, like Netflix. They may require a faster response time for customers in order to provide them a better customer experience. They can be both small and large companies because CloudFormation levels the playing field and cuts costs. They may also have variable volume and data needs due to temporary increases of usage depending on their need, such as a game. There are some examples listed on the next couple of slides. Online retail businesses can use cloud storage to eliminate the need for guessing of infrastructure capacity, as well as the need to store large amounts of data. There is also no capital investment needed to build a data center because it is all stored through the cloud. The business can also remotely access its data from multiple locations using its global networks. There is an ease in adding and updating products through the cloud that is not available in the store. The online retail businesses using cloud computing are Amazon and Etsy. The restaurant business can use cloud computing in almost every area. Cloud storage gives the restaurant an ability to launch a digital marketing promotion from almost every location. By using cloud computing, the restaurant can avoid the overuse of its in-house data systems that would make it run more effectively. It can also analyze large amounts of data very quickly. Cloud computing Jordy, no, no better. Another industry that can use cloud computing is the gaming industry. Cloud storage can allow the gaming Another industry that uses cloud computing is the hotel industry. Cloud storage can provide the hotel with real-time data which produce more accurate results. It can also provide faster results to site inquiries as well as improve response times to customers. Perhaps most importantly, it can improve Wi-Fi accessibility for hotel guests, as well as serve as a backup server for all operational data. A hotel business that currently is using cloud computing is Intercontinental Hotels. In conclusion, to summarize the case, there are both advantages and disadvantages to cloud computing. Some of the advantages included are that it is a scalable operation, you pay for what you use, there is less infrastructure development and maintenance costs, as well as that the business may not need to provide a data center. The disadvantages for cloud computing are the potential security issues such as hackers, downtimes which may have a ripple effect for many companies which would result in loss of revenue, reliability of the server, and lastly, a question as to how some legacy circles would work if move over, because some companies, such as the Credit Suisse, have too many applications to use the cloud effectively.